we need to talk. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, we need to talk. I saw this post on Instagram and I immediately thought, what the So an account I follow on Instagram called Glamazon Diaries posted on her Instagram stories these pair of tights. I'll put them right up here. They are Gucci tights that are $190 and are literally ripped up pantyhose. So now, don't get me wrong, I love distressed t-shirts, I love distressed jeans. There's definitely something to that style, but I'm sorry, I feel like $190 for tights is maybe taking it a bit far. So I thought, why not, let's try and recreate these tights. So I've already done a little test run and I'll go ahead and insert a quick clip here, but I basically bought some cheap ass tights. I didn't even go to Walmart. I went to the Dollar General and I got these Legs Sheer Energy Control Top Jet Black tights, and I actually tried it out on an even cheaper pair, but these were $5.50. So the other pair that I tried it on were off black, but they were just a test run because this was the only pair that they have. So the test run is an off black, not the right color, but basically just testing out what I was going to do to get this effect. I think it worked out really well, but I'm going to do this next one with you. I have not put these on yet, but same size, same brand, they're by Legs, and we're going to test it out and see if I can dupe these $190 tights with some $5 tights from Dollar General. Let's do it. All right, so I have put my tights on. First of all, don't say a word about my legs being bigger than the models because obviously. So I'm taking a look at our picture and I have a seam ripper. That's what I'm using. If you guys have not used one of these, they are super handy. I use this to remove tags, anything out of my clothing that I don't want, but they're also really cool for distressing clothes. You can get in there and get like individual threads, but be careful if you want to use one of these to do this because it is kind of sharp, but it's mainly super sharp in here. So this is the picture here. So basically what I'm going for is a bigger rip above the knee on this leg, one on the knee on this leg, and then one a little bit lower here. So let's do it. All right, this was super simple on the other pair. I basically just did like this, and wow, super simple. You have the hole, and all I have to do to create those runs is just kind of pull in and create some pressure. As you can see, super distressed. And now they're gonna look a little bit different. Obviously, it's gonna be super difficult to get it exact, but with this one, they have the runs going all the way up. So that's what I'm gonna try to create. Okay. Not bad. Also, I mean, my legs are a lot thicker than the models, so her seams and rips covered like her almost entire front of her leg. That's gonna be a little bit different for me, obviously, but whatevs, we're gonna make it work. These runs also went down really far. It'll kind of show you too that they're a little bit crooked. They're gonna run vertically, so we've got it going. I also am gonna put one down here. Hopefully you guys can see where I'm ripping that. So a little distressing there. A little bit of running there. Okay, so I'm gonna go right across the knee. It's super simple with this. You're literally just like, boom, there you have a rip in your tights. I don't know why you would want this, but I guess it is kind of cool looking in my dress. This had some pretty like wide rips in it, kind of like that. That actually did really well. There we go. Okay, so obviously the material in these is going to be pretty thin. That's their sheer tights, but it gives you the general look as in the picture. It's just kind of hard to stop the ripping in these. So I'm assuming, of course with Gucci, I'm assuming that this is going to be better quality material, but I just don't know how when you get these home and put these on, they're not just going to like run, you know, like really bad. Like how many times can you wear them and actually look like that? Because I feel like the answer is one. I mean, I feel like this looks pretty good. Alright, so as you guys saw, I think that was a pretty big success. I think that this is a great way to dupe the look. If you want to get the look of $190 Gucci distressed tights, obviously I do feel like this is kind of like a one and done kind of deal with these. You can definitely put these on again, but by the time you get them on and off and all that good stuff, they're just going to be like run everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Because every little touch can, like, I don't know, they're gonna run some more, you know what I'm saying? So I think you could get a couple uses out of them, but I think it's a little fun way to dupe this because personally, like, even if I became like amazingly popular on YouTube, I cannot see paying $200 for tights. They would have to be the most amazing tights in the world, you know what I mean? But all in all, I think this was a fun little video. Let me know what you guys think, and if you see any other weird, super expensive things that you think we can dupe together, then make sure to like DM me on Instagram or email me. My email is down here in the description box somewhere, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel and you're still watching, please go ahead and subscribe. I noticed that recently only about half the people who watch me are actually subscribed, and I'm like, what are you doing? Make sure to subscribe. It means the world to me. And just so you guys know, I'm gonna mention a little bit more because I feel like maybe some people don't know, but if you look in my description box, just scroll through there. If there's any brands that you see that you love that I have links or codes for, some of them are commissioned, some of them aren't, but they're so helpful. Like, anything you guys do is amazing to me, and you don't have to spend a dime just by liking and commenting and all of that good stuff. Like, it helps me so much. So thank you again, and I hope you guys are doing great. I'll see you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.